Hi, I'm John from Level Up, product support for WordPress. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress memory exhausted error. When your WordPress code requires more memory than the default allocated memory, you see this error. You see the memory exhausted error when your WordPress code requires more memory than the default allocated memory. The memory exhausted error shows up when WordPress tries to execute one of these scripts and finds out that it can't because it doesn't have enough memory. By default, WordPress automatically tries to increase PHP memory limit if it's less than 64 MB. However, 64 MB is often not high enough. In this video, you will learn how to easily increase PHP memory limit in WordPress to avoid memory exhausted error. Here's the list of what we're going to do. Make sure that you already have FTP account and FTP software installed to your PC. In case you don't have an FTP account, you can have that from cPanel or ask your hosting support to help you set up your FTP account, and also ask them to set up the directory to root path. From my end, I will use FileZilla to explore the WordPress files. You can check out the download link in the description below. So let's get started. Open your FileZilla and enter your FTP details: the host, username, password, and port. Then click the Quick Connect button. Once you have successfully logged in, check your files and look for wp-config.php file. wp-config.php file is one of the most important files in WordPress because it contains your website-based configuration details such as database connection information. Open the file using Notepad or any text editor software. You can visit the link for more information about wp-config. Then add this code. Don't forget to click yes to save the changes to your server. You can now visit your WordPress site and memory exhausted error should disappear. If this solution does not work for you, then this means your web hosting service provider does not allow WordPress to increase PHP memory limit. You will need to ask your web hosting provider to increase your PHP memory limit manually. If you have any questions about this video, feel free to drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Again, I'm John, and I'll see you in the next WordPress tutorial.